In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable multiple downloads in Google Chrome, so you can allow websites to download more than one file without being blocked each time. This is really useful if you're downloading files from a trusted site, saving multiple attachments, or using tools that need to export several files at once. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you'll find all of your browser settings and controls. From the drop-down, click Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles your browsing data, permissions, and website access. After that, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you manage what websites are allowed to do, including pop-ups, notifications, camera access, and downloads. Now scroll down until you find the Additional Permissions section. In that area, click Automatic Downloads. This is the setting that controls whether a website can download multiple files without asking you every single time. If this option is restricted, Chrome may block sites from saving more than one file in a row. On the Automatic Downloads page, select the option that says Sites can ask to automatically download multiple files. Once you turn this on, Chrome will allow trusted websites to request permission to download multiple files at once. In many cases, the site may still ask for your approval the first time, but after that, it can continue the download process more smoothly. That's really all there is to it. You've now enabled multiple downloads in Google Chrome, and your browser is ready to handle websites that need to save several files at once. If you ever want to turn this off again, just come back to the same automatic download setting and change it back. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Chrome guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.